Hi, in this video we are going to see nested if. What is the nested if? It is the same as our normal if which we discussed in the previous video, but what is the nested? Inside one if function we are going to write one more if, or we can enter even 2 or 3 based on our need. But inside a if function there is another if function we are utilizing, and that time it called nested if. So let's see example. It will be everything will be same as like syntax, and the examples will be same. Okay, only one thing that we will be going to put inside a if we can enter one more. So for this case, if I see here, we have fail, right? Here instead of typing fail, we can use another if statement. If any value, any condition we want to check, a1 as of now, if greater than 60, okay, greater than 60, what would be the value? True value. If this statement, particular statement is true, what should be the value? Good. Okay, and then if it is not, then what we can do? We can put as a fail. I close the bracket. Here we will do put as a very good. Okay, if this statement is true, then it will press as very good. If this statement, entire statement is not true, this statement, then what it will do? It will take, it will this one is, it will this will be taken into consideration. We'll see the likes example as of now. We'll put equal to, where want to see, okay, we'll just check value of ef5 column. If ef5, what is the logical text we wanted to see? If ef5 greater than 80, okay, if mark is above than 80, what we want? We want to get very good. Okay, then next, if fail, what happened? If fail, right? Then if again condition f5 greater than 60 but less than 80, it will come as this. But f5 greater than 60, then what we want? We want to say that good. Okay, now if it is not true, then less than what value you want? So we want just for now we will update this fail. Okay, if I hit enter, if you see here value is 30, right? Now if I change to the 70, it's showing as a good. That is our condition, right? That is our condition here. If you see, it is first, is it greater than 80? No, it is not greater than 80. So it is not. It is now the statement is not true. Then it will go to execute this one. Okay. Now it is checking if value is greater than 60. So 70 is greater than 60. So it is taking good. But if that statement also not true, like it is the value is not greater than 60, then what will be happen? That result will come as a fail. So I'll just changing the value for our understanding. I'm putting as a 55, and if we hit, you just see the value got changed here. Okay, now in this we will apply this concept again. We'll do equal to if, what is the logical test, equal to f5, what is the value should be, greater than 80. If it is true, what value I want to be pressed as D, grade as D. Then if it is a false, if it is false, what we want have another if statement. If, then I'll select a value f5 is greater than 60, then I put a grade as A. Okay, if not, if that is not case, then grade as F. I close the bracket. If I hit enter, if you see this grade getting updated based on the what is the value is available. The similar way we can add, we can keep on adding that if, then another if we can add, another if we can add. Okay, so this is about nested if. One more example we will see on the nested if. Let's put as a here salary, we can put salary. Okay, and now I'll update this as a like some range I will update. Okay, 10,000. I have updated their salary. Okay, now based on the salary I want to put some range, like what is the range of salary, how much salary they are getting, whether it is 10,000 or 15,000 or 17,000 or 20,000, right? So based on that we can we wanted to put, and here I will use multiple conditions. Okay, multiple nested if statement. So first what I'll do, I will select that if what cell I want to select. I want to select N5, sorry, if N5 less than 10,000. If value is less than 10,000, then what I want, below 10K. Okay, now another statement, if value is logical test N5, what I want is if value is greater than or less than, this value is less than 15,000. Okay, so 15K. Then what we want 10K to 15K. Okay, now again if statement, if that statement is not true, then and will not get 10K to 15K, then what next statement we can use, if, like again if, open bracket, and now value of N5, and what logical test I want, like less than 18,000, then what value I want to put, I'll update as 15k to 18k range. Okay, now again what if false, what I have to do, so I can update as if n5 less than 20k, if n 20k, then comma what value, above 18k. Okay, and here it is true. So what range I am putting, range more than 20k, right? So it will be above 18k. If false, then more than that, right? What are the more than? More than 20k. Okay, so if you observe, if value is, I'm just dragging and copy and dragging down here, I'm just pasting here the formula. Now if I change value as 9000 here, okay, if you observe the below 10k it is coming, for this it is coming at 15 to 18k, and then this one same range here 10k to 15k range, then more than 15k, like that it has changed. And we have make very complex, very simple but little bit complex, right? 1 2 3 4 if statement we have used in this formula. We can use n number of formulas as we required, based on our need, whatever we like we can modify. And major the thing will be there in best example, you can say, on grading the student marks based on the salary, based on the, like, as of now, say for example 5 lakh and above, there will be some tax percentage of salary, then above than 10 lakh there will be different percentage of salary. Even on the electricity bills, right, if you have below than 100 unit, you will be have to pay on different rate, and if it is a little higher 200 or 300 range, right, they will give the different charge of per unit they will charge. So those cases it will be very useful for us, and hope you understand the concept of nested if and if statements. That's all for this video. In next video we are going to see the another logical operator called AND operator. Thank you very much for watching.